Question number 7. In this question, we want to find out area of the shaded part. Here we can see a square of side 14 centimeter and 4 circles, and the center of each circle is the vertex of the square. Here A is the center of the circle, which is the vertex of the square. Here B, C and D. Here area of the shaded part is equal to area of the square minus area of these quadrants. How many quadrants are here? 4 quadrants. Okay. This angle is 90 degrees. ഇതൊരു സെക്ടർ ആണ് ആംഗിൾ 90 ഡിഗ്രി ആയിട്ടുള്ള അതിനെയാണ് നമ്മൾ ക്വാഡ്രന്റ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. ഓക്കെ, ക്വാഡ്രന്റ് ഈസ് 1/4 ഓഫ് ദി സർക്കിൾ. ദെൻ ഏരിയ ഓഫ് ദ ക്വാഡ്രന്റ് ഈസ് 1/4 ഇൻറ്റു പൈ ആർ സ്ക്വയർ. അങ്ങനെ എടുത്താൽ മതി നമുക്കിവിടെ. ഏരിയ ഓഫ് ദ ക്വാഡ്രന്റ് ഈസ് 1/4 ഇൻറ്റു പൈ ആർ സ്ക്വയർ. ദെൻ വാട്ട് ഈസ് ദ ഏരിയ ഓഫ് ദ സ്ക്വയർ? ദറ്റ് ഈസ് എ സ്ക്വയർ or side square. What is the side here? That is area is 14 square 196. That is the area of the square. Then area of the quadrant. Area of the quadrant is 1/4 into pi r square. That is area of the quadrant is 1/4 into pi r square. Here we have 4 quadrants having same area. So area of 4 quadrants is 4 into 1/4 into pi r square. Okay, and this 4 and 4 get cancelled. That is pi r square. This 22/7 into 7 into 7. That is 22 into 7. 22 into 7 is 154. So 154 centimeter squares is the area of the 4 quadrants. So area of the shaded part is equal to area of the square minus quadrant. That is 196 minus 154 is 42 centimeter squares. That is the area of the shaded part. Question number 8. Here a model of a racing track is given to us. Look here. We want to find out the distance around the track along its inner edge and the area of the track. Okay, let us find out the distance around the inner edge. Distance around the inner edge means here, from here to here, the length is 106. Same here also. So this length plus this length is 106 into 2. That is 212 meters. Then this length and this length. What is that? That is a semicircle. What is the circumference of the semicircle? Pi r. Here what is r? Here this width that is given, that is 60 meters. So r is half of that. This is actually the diameter. So r is 30 meters. So pi r is pi into 30. Here 1 pi r is here. Here this is another pi r. So pi r plus pi r, that is 2 pi r is the total length of the semicircular end. Isn't it? Yes, that is 2 into 22/7 into 30. That is 1320/7. That length is 188.57 meters. So what is the total length of the inner edge? This plus this. Okay, add those, then we will get 400.57 meters. That is the total length of the inner edge. Here, from here to here, that length is given to us, that is 106 meter. Here also the same length. Then this length, that is the circumference of the semicircle. Same length here also. So circumference of the semicircle is pi r. Here 1 pi r is there. Here another pi r is there. So add those two. Then we will get 2 pi r. Here the radius is same, that is why we are adding like that. If the radius is different, we cannot add like that, okay? Now second part of the question is to find area of the track. For finding area of the track, you have to divide this region or divide this figure into in a convenient way to get the answer. Okay, let us see how to divide the track. Now the track is divided into 4 regions. This is a rectangle. Here also one rectangle you can see. Then what is this? This is a semicircular ring. This is also a semicircular ring. Okay. Then what is the area of the rectangle? Area of the rectangle is length into breadth. Here length is 106 and breadth is 10 meters. It is given to us. Therefore area is 106 into 10. That is 1060 meters square. That is the area of the first portion, and second part also the same. Now third and fourth portions are in the form of a semicircular ring. Look here, this is a ring. This is a ring. What is the area of the ring? Here you can see 2 circles, an outer circle and an inner circle. The ring area is this area. Okay, so this area is area of the outer circle minus area of the inner circle. Okay, if radius of the outer circle is capital R and inner circle it is small r, then area is pi r square minus pi r square. That means pi into, you can take pi as a common factor, pi into r square minus small r square. That is a square minus b square form. That is r plus r into r minus r into pi. That is the area of a circular ring. Here we have a semicircular ring. So what will be area? Semicircular means just half of this, isn't it? So what will be the area? Area is 1 by 2 into pi into r plus r into r minus r. Okay, then find out that. That is 1 by 2 into pi is 22 by 7 into r. What is capital R here? Here, from here to here, the measure is 30 meters and the width is 10 meters. So, capital R is 40 meters and small r 30 meters. Okay, then half into pi into r plus r, that is 40 plus 30, 70 into 40 minus 30, that is 10. Then 1100 meters square, that is the area of this part. This part also 1100 meters square. Then what will be total area? Total area, you add all this. Then what will you get? By adding all this, we will get 4320 meters square. That is the area of the track. Look at this question. This is question number 9. In this question, given that AB and CD are 2 diameters which are perpendicular each other. That means this angle is 90 degrees. Okay. Then we want to find out the area of the shaded part, and given that OA is 7 centimeter. If OA is 7 centimeter, OB also 7, isn't it? Then OC also 7. Then OD also 7 centimeter. And we want to find out area of the shaded part. Then how will you find out area of the shaded part? Area of the shaded part is equal to area of the semicircle. Look here, this is a semicircle, isn't it? Area of the semicircle minus area of the triangle. Then you will get these two areas. And after that, add area of the circle. Then we will get the total shaded area. Okay. Now let us find out area of this semicircle. Okay, what is the area of the semicircle? That is half pi r square. Here half into pi 22 by 7 into r is 7. It is 77 centimeter squares. That is the area of the semicircle, this semicircle. Then what is the area of the triangle? Area of the triangle is half into base into height. Here you can take AB as base. Then CO is perpendicular to AB because that is given to us. That means that is the height. You can take that as the height. Okay, then area of the triangle is half into base into height. So area of triangle ABC is half into base 14 into base is this. Take this as base. 14 into 7. That is 49 centimeter squares. Now find out area of this circle. What is the area of that circle? It is pi r square. Then what is r there? Pi into the diameter is 7. So r is 7 by 2. Okay. Pi take it into 2 by 7 into r is 7 by 2. That is 77 by 2. What is 77 by 2? 38.5. 38.5 centimeter squares is the area of the small circle. Then area of the shaded part is area of this semicircle minus area of triangle ABC plus area of the small circle. That is 77 minus 49 plus 38.5 is 66.5 centimeter squares. Question number 10. Here we need to find out area of the shaded part. Look here the middle part. A triangle ABC is given to us which is equilateral, and with each vertex of the triangle as center a circle is drawn. Look here. ഏതുള്ള വേർട്ടക്സിന് ഒരു സർക്കിൾ വരച്ചിട്ടുണ്ട്, അത് സെൻറ്റർ ആക്കിയിട്ട് അതേപോലെ തന്നെ B and C. And given that the radius of the circle is half the length of the side of the triangle. Okay, അതായത് എ ബിയുടെ ഹാഫ് ആയിരിക്കും ഈ റേഡിയസ്, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഈ റേഡിയസ്. അങ്ങനെയാണ് തന്നിരിക്കുന്നത്. And given that the area of the triangle is 17,320.5 centimeter square. But the side of the triangle is not given to us. But from here, you will get the side of the triangle. Okay, root 3 by 4 a square is this 17,320.5. So from here, you will get a square and a. And radius is a by 2. Now, it is very clear that from the figure, area of the shaded part is equal to area of the triangle minus area of 3 sectors. You can see 3 sectors here. One sector, look here, this is one sector, this is another sector, and this is the third sector. So, area of the triangle minus area of these sectors is the area of the shaded part. Look here, root 3 by 4 a square is equal to 17,320.5. That means a square is equal to 17,320.5 into 4 divided by root 3. The value of root 3 is given to us. That is given in the question. So, substitute that value. Look at the denominator. Denominator is a decimal. How will you divide by a decimal? You have to remove the decimal first. Then how can you remove the decimal? Here how many decimal places? Here 5 decimal places are there. So multiply by 1 lakh. 1 lakh കൊണ്ട് മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ ഈ ഡെസിമൽ കംപ്ലീറ്റ് അങ്ങ് നീങ്ങിപ്പോവും. അപ്പോൾ ഡിനോമിനേറ്ററിനെ 1 lakh കൊണ്ട് മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ ന്യൂമറേറ്ററിനെ 1 lakh കൊണ്ട് മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യണം. അപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് എന്ത് കിട്ടും? 1 lakh divided by 1.73205 into 1 lakh. Here the decimal is removed. Here what will get? 1.73205 1 2 3 4 divided by, here decimal is removed. Here 1 4 is 2 3 4. So answer is A square is 40,000. A square is 40,000. So what will be A? A is root of 40,000. What is root of 40,000? Root of 40,000 is root of 4 is 2, then 200. 200 centimeter is the length of the side. Look here, area of the sector theta by 360. Here theta is 60 by 360 into 3.14 into 100 into 100. 6. Then this is divided by 6 centimeters square. That is the area of one sector. We need to find out the area of 3 sectors. This 3 into by 6. This is equal to, this is area of 3 sectors. Now area of the shaded part is equal to area of the triangle minus area of 3 sectors. Area of the triangle is given to us. It is, find out that. Area of the triangle is, this is the area of the triangle that is given. Area of the sectors, while subtracting you will get 1620.5 centimeter squares. That is the area of the shaded part. Question number 11. ABCD is a square handkerchief and there is 9 circular designs on that handkerchief, and each design, that means each circle having a radius 7 centimeter. So radius of the circle is, this is 7 centimeter. Okay. What will be the diameter? Diameter is 14 centimeter. And diameter of the first circle 14. And the second circle also 14, and the diameter of the third circle 14. That means the side of the square is 14 plus 14 plus 14, it is 42 centimeter. That is the side of the square. And we want to find out the area of the remaining portion of the handkerchief. Area of the remaining portion of the handkerchief is area of the square minus area of 9 circles. Okay. Look at the answer. Square ABCD, side of the square is 14 plus 14 plus 14. That is 42 centimeters. Area is A square. 42 square is 1764 centimeters square. Then area of 9 circles. Here 9 circles are there. So area of 9 circles, area of a circle is pi r square. So area of 9 circles, 9 into pi r square. Then you will get like this. It is 1386 centimeters square. That means area of the remaining part is 1764 minus 1386. That is 378 centimeters square.